Okay, so hello guys, my name is Shadow Guy X and welcome to a game called Press the Button, or whatever it's called, or whatever this game is called. I want you to pick this game out, so I have no idea what the fuck it's about. However, we're really gonna play this game where we just stop the button, and if you don't stop the button, then the opponent will die. He gets diarrhea and dies. However, I'm gonna try to face the opponent since. Oh, so I face you because I run shit here. Okay, man, man, this is my first time playing this game, so I have no idea how this game works.
This is my first time playing too. New. We're new.
Oh, okay.
I got 7 points. 7.4.
Alright. Okay, come on.
Damn. Now you lost.
Shut up. Bro, how the fuck I'm supposed to know, nigga?
You're supposed to click it when it hits 7 seconds.
Okay, man. Hop off my tip. I really.
Damn. The game says stop the timer. Can't you see it?
Bro, my game was loading.
Okay. Okay, let's see, Jackson. 7 seconds, don't forget. Let's do like 6.
Shut up, Thomas. I'm trying to concentrate. Oh my god, Thomas, you kept talking, man. Bro, Tom, that's because you kept talking, Thomas. I'm trying to concentrate. Oh, can you shut the... Bro, I literally would have won if Thomas can not stop talking. I'm trying to concentrate. Okay, I want to rematch. No. Okay, I'm gonna need some silence for a minute. I'm gonna need to concentrate.
I'll be quiet.
Bro, what? Bro, why is someone trying to send me a? Bro, why is someone trying to send me a friend request?
That's all. Oh, you got a pizza. No, sir.
Okay, hold on. Fuck! God damn it! Why the fuck am I choking this one?
Choke. Oh, I got you. I swear to God, if Thomas gets something lucky, I'm gonna lose it.
They'll go for an easy win.
Okay, you're gonna need a 6.90, Jackson, to beat us.
6.90.
Hey, he could have smashed that up.
Yes!
Yeah.
Oh, fine, fucking fine.
It's fine, you win.
Okay, no, nigga, we're neck and neck. We're neck and neck, man. Let's see how you can keep this up. Come on, please fucking press that button, I swear.
Nah.
Okay, good. I can try to make a point better this. All I need something to score the board up, and I got this.
Wait.
Shut up, Tom. Too late, fucker. Yeah. Yeah.
That's crazy, bro.
I'm worried.
Fuck Jackson, bro.
Poor Jackson.
Shut the fuck up and kill yourself. Oh, fuck off, nigga. That game my ass, man. That game is rigged. This game is rigged.
Nah, that's a little.
What? You see it when it lives. Cause if that ain't luck, I don't know what it is. Because I did the exact same thing what Thomas was doing, and bro, I just got a 9, a fucking 89. Oh, you're kidding me, game. And this game is gonna make me kill myself.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Wait, I won?
I swear to Father better not. You're feeling the game rigged. Oh, tell me, you're gonna see if the hell this game's gonna rig against you. game.
At least I'm not gonna call it rigged.
Oh, I know it's rigged. Oh, I swear to God. I swear to God.
No,
Fuck.
not for yourself, no.
Oh, Alfonso. Oh, I know your old ass ain't talking. He said I can't get any new reference for me.
In my old, I still beat you.
And just like, and your old ass.
Instead of calling me old.
Okay, man. I gotta record a 2-part video. So let's try to hurry this up quickly. Okay. Let's do one more video for one more of our audience. Okay. Oh, this game. Okay, fine. I just pray to God this game isn't move, Tom. I pray to God this game isn't rigged.
Move, Jackson. Move, Jackson.
Okay, let's have to wrap this up quickly.
You better cut it, rigged.
I didn't mean to press that. Fuck. Fuck. I didn't mean to do that. I just got a little excited. Why, man? I just got a little excited.
You can't be saying this rigged now.
I fucking hate this game. I want to play something different.
We'll do that in the next video.
Oh, come on, Pop. Come on. Papa needs a new brand of shoes. Or a new pair of shoes. Oh my fuck. Whoa. How? Literally fucking how? Is this game... Fucking how? I fucking hate this game, man. Fuck. Well, fuck it. I don't give a shit if I spend my Robux. I'm getting another thing.
Oh, no, the last one. The last round.
Bro, no way you spend Robux, bro.
I don't give a shit.
You pressing the gun too early.
Bro.
Early, bro.
Yes.
8 seconds. Okay.
Down, something.
I mean, I'm ready.
Hold on, man. I got this.
There you go, bro.
Hurry, you time.
Yes.
Oh, he said.
Okay, let's see you can beat
You got
that.
99. What's up? Oh, you got 99. I gotta get a perfect 80 to beat you.
Like,
Yes! Wait, what?
Wow.
oh, we got
Yes, I won!
and then by 2.
Although I spent just 9 Robux on it, but fuck it.
Hey, shit, let me get out.
Alright.
Let me get out.
Alright guys, we're gonna end the video here. If you guys want to see more of this, let me know in the comments down below. And we'll catch you all next time. Bye guys.